How to activate your Citizens Bank debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to activate your Citizens Bank debit card so you can start using it right away. First, you need your new card to arrive in your mail. You just need to sign the back of the card for security. Then you have three simple steps to activate it. The first one is a phone call. You can call the toll-free activation number printed on the sticker that's attached to your new card and follow the automated prompts. You could also find different calling numbers on different websites like these ones right here. So you can call these numbers to activate it. You can also do a second option that is to visit any Citizens Bank ATM, insert your new card, and complete the transactions using your ATM PIN. This will activate the card instantly and immediately. And the final option is to actually use the mobile application. So what you can do is simply open up the mobile banking app for Citizens Bank, make sure to log into your account and go to the online banking section. There you will be able to find your card information. Just tap on any of the card that is shown right there. You'll find a big activation button at on your screen. Just tap on it to activate your card. And once activated, your card is ready for everyday purchase, ATM withdrawals, and online payments. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.